Hi. Okay, today we're going to be working on how to install a full roof graphic on a Clubman. So enjoy the video, and this how-to tutorial has been brought to you by Aesthetic Creations. This is where all the magic happens. All right. Grab the end, and then we're just pulling the paper and moving it down. It's getting warm today, that's fine. Reach under here and grab this from this side. Okay? Let it down. That's cool. Alright, now pull at the same time. Good? Yeah. This is a special pressure sensitive vinyl that allows for movability and slidability. So this whole thing can be slid around until you find where you want it to go. And you can pop it up as many times as you need to until you get it in the right spot. And then once you put your hand on it, it seals it down. I've got this down to about an hour and a half. But for the average Joe, about 3 hours. No, when they saw I was doing this to their car, they ran off screaming and said, "We'll come back later!" This little wrap thing here is a microfiber paper towel. You can get them Checker, or is it Advanced Auto Parts or something like that on here. And I just glued it together to do that, to put this in. And it's protects it from scratching the vinyl. Everything else scratches the vinyl. This has a sunroof, but they want to keep the solid material of the sunroof. Yeah, I'm going to trim the whole thing out after the whole roof graphic goes on. And if it had perforated material, which is something that we offer, then we would still do the same process here, but we would then trim out the middle, pull it off, and then align up the perforated. This is for trimming purposes. I have to heat this up to 180 degrees. What it does is it kills the memory on the material, and then it won't remember where it is now when I put it down there. Vinyl has a memory to start with, and if you don't break the memory, then it has a tendency to come back up from the car. Hold on. Oh, I went the wrong way. This will all be covered by the rubber. But this will also make sure that the vinyl doesn't come up a little at a time.
Anything that can kill the contact center.
You'll be the talk of the dragon.
Somebody see.
It's a knack, I'll tell you what, because this is the rubber seal right here, and if you don't do it the right way, you can cut the rubber and make a big mess, make people angry. Of course, we really try not to do that. Careful, you might get a glare off my bald head there. Microfiber is the way to go. There it goes. He found his home. Alright. So here you go. This core. There. These guys just snap into place. This goes right back in here. Covers up all that rust. This gets tucked back here.
This is my car right here. This is Little Wing. I had the roof, I had this blackjack put on the roof, vinyl wrap, and I also had the vinyl wrap done on the side panel there. I love it. I think it looks great. But now I have to do something else because back here I have silver, pure silver panels and they don't match. So now I have to get black ones. So I think once you start, there's no end.